Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and to realize you are creative abundance. So I came across this question and answer, which I'm going to share with you today, and it inspired me to do this video about love and beauty in writing. So someone asked Jean Klein the question, how does one become earnest? He answered, by seeing beauty and love in things around you. You are built of beauty. There is the seed of beauty in you, so you can know this beauty in your surroundings. Follow this beauty, seek it out, cultivate it. There is the seed of beauty in you, so you can know this beauty in your surroundings. It is in you first. It is in you first. That is why we recognize it. Writing can be such a beautiful practice of seeing the beauty and love in things around you. I love to use writing in this way to praise things, especially in recent days, in recent weeks and months, with everything that is going on in the world. So today I invite you, and for the next few days or longer if you'd like, to make this your practice, your writing practice. Write in praise of beauty and love in the things around you, from the littlest thing to the greatest thing and everything in between. Does it feel silly? Does that feel like a silly idea? Is there something in you perhaps that resists this? I don't know. Maybe you think, what's the point? Life is so messed up right now. The world is so crazy. Things are so difficult. So many people are suffering. The world's going to hell. But I say in that, if that is the mindset, if that is where you are focused, then where are you dwelling? You're dwelling there as well, in that hell, in that suffering, in that misery. And I'm not saying we should ignore it. I'm just saying perhaps we can lift ourselves, our spirits. Perhaps we can dare, as artists, as writers, as creators, we can just dare to see beauty and love while the rest of the world is going crazy, seeing horror and evil, right? We can feel love and beauty. We can determine that we will live a sane life instead of the insane life that we are witnessing. I know for me, I'd much rather create and write my way into joy, peace, love, beauty than to keep suffering along with the misconceptions that the world is only suffering and madness, and that this, which seems to be what most of the world is creating and living in that projection, in this delusion of guilt and revenge and anger and blame. Years ago, I had this experience, I think perhaps, and this is what attracted me to this interview, to this question and answer in the first place. And years ago, when I was just starting, perhaps just getting into, or a year or so into my devoted writing practice, to cultivating my creative practice, I felt a beauty in me seeing me. I felt a love in me loving me. I felt that which I was seeking me. And it changed so much. So I say, write yourself into the beauty that is all around you. Write yourself into the beauty that you are. What you see is what you are. How you see is how you see the world. So writing can be a real practice, a real push back against this craziness that we may be experiencing in the world. We can cultivate seeing beauty and love. We can be determined to lift our life to meet the beauty of life. And we can do this daily. We can write daily. And we can meet daily the beauty and love that we are and that is all around us. It is this simple. This is the practice. I hope you will write deeply today. I know that if you do write, you will write beautifully, because beauty is what you are. Blessings.